taking out the cats. Got the mid pipe, the CorkSport. Got some help. Alright, so CorkSport gives you a installation kit, so go ahead and remove the cross member and the front and rear flange. We have to take out the sensor chassis support. So these will be hard to take off, so yeah. Be prepared for those.
Derek, your car just gave you
I know. Disgusting. Took a little bit, but got it off. Disgusting. Like, that's a whole difference, huh?
Dude, that's kind of sick.
That's a whole difference.
It's like, you can make like, oh, dude, you can make like a sick trophy out of one of these.
Hang it on my wall.
Yeah. Fuckers, man.
Alright. That's pretty much how the race pipe looks. It's nice. It looks better than the other cat. This thing doesn't sound bad, actually. This thing might sound nice, dude.
Okay.
Shoot. Alright, here it is. That's actually not that bad. That's not bad. Alright, go ahead. We're good.
Yep.
Alright guys, so I didn't finish the video completely, but the test pipe, or the race pipe, is finally in. That's how it's gonna look. It took like maybe an hour and a half maybe. So we finally got that on, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start for you guys right now. So you could definitely tell it's a bit louder because it was less, right now it's less restrictive, so now it's quite a bit loud. But it's nice. It'll probably be like popping a lot more in the while you're shifting and stuff, mid shifts. So yeah, that's nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is probably gonna be the last mod for at least maybe a month or two, because the next mod that is coming, or next install, is gonna be something like a huge like changer. So just be ready for that. This car's gonna be a whole lot cleaner. Who knows what it could be? Maybe it's just a diffuser or side skirts, both of them maybe, or it could be something else, you know. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.